Oh, we have to go. That looks like a whole lot of bull. So be careful.
I am. I got a lot of coconuts.
Oh no, don't
No.
roll. Hold on, I need to put some stuff in your boot bag. Where you at?
Hold on. How do I... Here.
You can put stuff in my boot bag.
How do I break this?
I let them fall from the tree, and when they hit the ground, they break.
Oh, shite.
But the campfire is gone.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Maybe. Damn.
Oh, I guess I gotta drop. Okay.
Ah! Right? I climb with it. Oh, wait. I'm gonna try to throw it.
I know, I tried.
I did! I broke it! Oh, shit.
Oh, yay! Oh, damn. Okay.
Open your bag.
Here's 3. Oops.
Put.
I guess it's because you're hitting it against a rock. Oh, never mind. I'll go fuck myself.
I just throw it at max velocity. You can put this one in my book bag.
What?
This coconut that's right here.
Where are you? Oh.
Right here. You can put that in my book bag.
Oh, I got one too.
Yeah, your book bag's full. I've already put stuff in your book bag.
Oh. Well, I don't have any space in my inventory.
You can put it in my book bag.
Or, I mean, I have space in my inventory. Like my 1s, 2s, and 3s.
Oh, okay.
Alright, let's... I guess try! Fuck. This looks horrible.
They really do.
I don't think I've ever seen this part. I guess we gotta... I don't fucking know, bro.
It's the ground. The ground looks poisonous.
I know, I don't... This looks horrible. Oh, I do see fruit down there, I think.
Yeah,
so
right
maybe
up there. Oh yeah, I see some berries.
How the fuck?
I guess like this, maybe. Yay! It.
Oh shit. You good?
Hey, I was climbing down.
Oh, I got you. Oh, it's raining, of course.
Okay. That's good. Good. TV?
Yeah. Oh, what the fuck? Guess I don't even.
Damn, it's a lot. Don't eat these damn food that's here. It's poisonous.
No? Of course they are.
I mean, they'll do a lot of poisoning, but...
Like the green fruits?
Ow! Yeah, the green apples that's all on the tree. The bushes.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I don't know about the recipe. Oops.
It was too pain. Antidote.
Oh, nice.
I can't see shite.
Man, why are you climbing so fucking slow? Shit.
Huh?
My fucking character. Climbing so goddamn slow.
I don't know. I'm dying.
Oh, what happened?
These vines with the spikes.
Oh, they got the jungle meat.
Oh, thank goodness.
Ah, shit.
Let me know if you need any antidote.
I might die, actually.
So echoey. I got 2 bottles of the antidote. Oh my god! Is it the fog? Bro, what the fuck?
Wait.
Where you at? Where you at?
I'm down here.
Oh, I see you. Come here.
I'm coming. I think I need that antidote.
Come here. I got 2 of them.
Okay. I had to stand on the freaking spiky branch to get my stamina back up.
Bruh. Wait.
Thank you.
Of course. I'm so scared because these fucking... they're everywhere. I don't like how they're poisonous. I don't even know where the fuck to go.
I guess, Ow!
Gay!
How do we, is there like a crouch button? Oh, there is a crouch button.
I don't...
Why? Oh, hell no, I'm gonna have to switch that. Why is the crouch button control? I don't like that.
Really?
Yeah. I don't like that.
I don't either.
I don't think I could switch it.
Right now, no. Probably not.
Great.
Ah, shit.
Alright.
don't even know where to... Never mind, I think I see.
I was got the wrong
Maybe.
right brand.
How do I... I don't even... God. Wait, oh yeah, it was this way. Come here. Maybe.
Hopefully. How do you open your book bag?
I have no idea, that's what I'm trying to do.
It shows you have it in your hand.
I'm trying to get fruit out or something. Can you get something out or no?
Out your book bag?
Yeah, because it won't let me for some...
Put it on your back.
Okay.
Turn around, dude. I can't get nothing.
Bruh.
Oh wait, never mind, I got the marshmallow out.
Feed me. Thank you. Oh, well, never mind. That was it.
There's nothing up here. Wait, actually, I don't.
No! Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, fucker. I might need your help.
Okay, I don't know how to grab people. I have my hand out.
Hold on.
I have my hand.
Oh, there's nothing up here? Bruh. Oh, wait!
But it's going down, though. It's not going up.
But there might be something that leads us to going up.
Okay, I'm gonna stay up here.
Never mind, I'll go fuck myself.
There's nothing?
Abs? Shit, hold on. Oh my god, I think I fucked myself.
To hold out my hand. Uh-oh. I almost slid off.
Damn.
Ow. Okay, okay. I'm over here on the other side of this area.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yeah. There's lollipop and milk over here.
Huh? Huh?
Lollipop and a milk.
If I could find you. Because I'm at like 5% health.
Oh gosh. Over here.
I hear you.
Yeah, I'm.
Oh, I see you.
Oh yeah, I see you.
I'm at. I got like no health. I accidentally touched one of those like ball things.
How do you get health back? Bandages?
Huh? Bandages and food.
Well, be careful when you're getting down from here then.
Oh shit.
You have these.
Okay. Sugar rush.
Oh, I got a first aid kit.
Oh my god.
A checkpoint flag. Need it?
Yes. It made me sleepy. Oh, there's some coconuts.
Okay. I'm not gonna use this flag as the checkpoint. You're supposed to let the coconut fall too.
My bad. What?
Hold key.
Oh, you can, bruh.
Okay, maybe we get up from on this.
No!
Or let's go though.
I don't know where those appear. Ooh. Suitcase. First aid kit. Here, you take this one.
Okay. I'm not.
Oh, another one. Hold up. Do you need it?
I mean, I'm seeing
Chain launcher.
my health. But use it in case.
Okay. you said these apples are poisonous, or?
Yeah, these apples, yeah, they're poisonous. They don't put that much poison on you, but
Yeah.
yikes! There we go. Berry banana, pink banana.
Pink banana.
Yeah,
Huh.
they're poisonous too. Everything here is poisonous.
Fuck.
But I think we might found a way to pick up them.
Oh, whoops. Oh shit, oh shit.
Fuck! I wish I would. Oh wait, and get over here. Yes. I'll hold my hand out for you.
Magic bean.
It's gonna let you fly or something.
Yeah, magic bean. Oh shit. Oh!
What the fuck is that? Look at
Something that could have been more useful.
It just sprouted out of it.
Yeah, magic bean. Fuck! Oh, let me... Bruh. Kill him.
I got you.
Yeah. Yay!
Okay, now.
Let's see.
This seems like a whole lot of buds. I'm just. Ah, these bushes.
Poisonous?
Yeah, don't touch them.
Goddamn. I know, I was like trying to rest. No!
What?
Oh my...
I fell too. God damn. Yeah, I fell too. I slid off just like you.
I died.
Me too.
Bruh.
Oh,
Never mind, what the fuck?
you're alive. I died. I fell my death. What the fuck happened to you?
Because of that, my inventory gets too full.
Oh, you get heavy?
Yeah. I ain't got nothing in the.
Oh wait, if you go to my dead body, I had a flag, a checkpoint flag, so we would have to start all over. Damn. Got a new hat. Well, we made it far for our first time.
Yeah, we did pretty good. We did. I honestly, we did better than I expected.
Heck yeah. I feel like I don't know. I don't like that little rainforest part. Ready to board the flight. Walk into.
I don't know. How did we start again? Oh, this? Oh.
Oh my fucking ass! I never had a book bag. I didn't have a book bag. That little first quick round we went, I didn't have it. How the fuck do I open it?
Oh, you drop it and you look through it.
I can't put nothing in it?
You can.
Oh, I have to have it. I'm gonna add it.
Sorry, I'm snacking on some hot Cheetos.
It was a guidebook.
What the fuck is that? What the fuck?
I think that's a bad idea.
I should take it with me, huh?
And waste space. No, I'm joking.
It could tell us if this is the right decision or not.
Okay.
No.
Here, let me. Here. Stand still!
Oh, sorry.
Damn. Bruh.
Well, I'm gonna knock these down. Ah, shit.
There we go. Now I gotta get a backpack too.
I thought we both started with it.
No, I think there's only one.
Hopefully we can make it to the top of this one.
Yeah. Excuse me.
I think that's a bad idea.
Ooh.
Got some rope. Us.
Huh?
Hey. Jimmy,
Hey, what?
over here.
Yep. You up
Behind you.
where?
I'm jumping.
Oh, hold up, I'm coming. Am I blind or am I blind?
I'm over here on the top of the mountain that you're on, but I'm facing the other way.
Oh. I'm com- Oh shit.
Damn. I got rope.
Oh nice.
Oh, there's a med kit in my book bag too.
Yeah, I might That was my bad. Ooh, suitcase. Ooh, come here. I actually do need to eat, so. 3. There we go. Wait. 3. I'm gonna drop these, and then I'll keep these. Okay.
I have a free slot in my.
Oh, do you? It's good. We don't need the binoculars, really.
Okay.
I feel like we don't. I feel like over here is more of a decent spot to climb.
Dude.
Bruh.
Oh, we got some good carrots. There was only one.
Ooh. I feel like we're gonna do better this time around just because we know. Ooh,
Yeah,
suitcase.
I can't believe we lasted that long. Book bag either.
Trail mix. You just skipped past the suitcase.
Oh, I didn't even see it. My bad. Ah, shit. Okay.
It's good. I'm chilling. Let's go!
I was only able to climb up here because of hopes and dreams. I'm not gonna lie. I was hopped up on shit.
Oh, but the energy drink gets you up there?
Yeah.
It makes you tired as hell though after. So careful.
Yeah, do make it. No,
fog
fog,
rises.
don't rise.
Ingress! Ingress, get out! Fine.
Stop sliding.
Energy also gives you like an extra bar too, I think. Where are you at?
I'm right here.
There we go.
Holy shit.
But
Nothing. Just scaring the fuck out of
get on this damn
I have no idea how I'm doing
fucking
it right now.
ledge. Out of here. Can I throw this rope at you?
Hold on, let's see. Do you see where I'm at? Hold up. Trying to figure out where you're at.
Like, damn it. Like,
Almost died.
what the fuck? Why am I?
Oh, I see you. I'm right above you. What? What's up? No! Girl, you're trying to get me killed. I don't appreciate that.
Oh, you don't have to come down.
I see you.
I don't like how the terrain is different.
I feel like it's easier this time around though. We're like already halfway up. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Yes! Okay. Yes! Okay. Yeah, okay.
Hold on.
It's fine.
Oh, wait,
I got the
it.
rope.
Hold on. Huh? It's fine. Hold up. I just had to eat.
Bruh.
At least we. Oh.
Do not touch the spiky plant.
Okay.
Okay, try to go around it. I hate these fucking. Oh my god. Why? Yeah, I feel like it's definitely easier this time around. Ooh. What was in it? Oh, band-aids? Oh, cool.
It's a box of cereal.
Oh, good. Alright, let's... Hold up. Ooh. Carrot.
It's a
Sorry. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Let's try to cross this bridge. Imagine this game with like a whole group of people. You want this or?
Alright.
Okay.
I'll be telling people to get the fuck out the way. Don't we got body collision?
I don't know. God damn. Thank you.
Yeah, we got body collision. Okay. Look, we're getting close. Oh, wait, we're at the finishing bits.
Yeah, I feel like this was a lot faster.
Well, it was a lot faster actually.
This way.
Ooh, I almost just fucked myself.
Walk up.
Oh shit. Hold up. Oh shit.
Oh yes, I made it. I could, my rope.
Okay. Girl, I like the effort, but I'm good.
I have to tie a knot. Let's hurry. The fog's on our ass. I see it.
I know, I'm running.
And I ran.
For 22 days and 23 nights. I smell the smoke. Oh, 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 oh.
It's saucy.
I have a backpack, yay. 4.
Try not to die with it.
I know.